What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. October 28th. We have a huge cash gap from 41 up to 57. That makes me nervous. But we will see. It doesn't have to fill today. Can fill tomorrow. But that level's been a big one, that 40-45. Actually, more like a 37-42. 22, interesting level. 35 was your Friday low, and we kind of grinded lower. We closed on the lows, and then we gapped up. Everyone's saying because the Iran-Israeli war that strike wasn't that big of a deal. Crude oil's down like $3 off that. 5,800 needs to hold. So 96.01 would be support. Singles down to 54. But so that 50-55 level, 57-55 is extreme support. That's really what I wanted to see. If we broke this, there's still this 70 level as well. But we'd have to break that 95, 5,800. Above this 88.92 level, we'll get the 5,900, 5,910, and then above 15, why not just rock it to all-time highs. So right now we're just kind of toggling. We really haven't broken this range, so when we get up, we get smacked down, and when we get down, we get bid right back up. So I don't know. Something needs to happen. We're still kind of in, we really haven't moved in a long time. We've come down, but we've kind of stuck into this 58.20 to 59 or 58.90 is really kind of the toggle. Pivot is 59. I do like that. 83 is R1 is perfect. If you remember, 84 was the big number the day before, I believe. So I would watch that. That's going to be important. We've halted there already. 50.24 is your R2. That's 59.24. Excuse me. That's really high. But definitely a target. As you can tell, it held back up here. So these have been holding. So we will see. 58.17 is S1. 93, I do like that, is S2. And 51 is S3. I really like that. So again, we will see how this goes. Is this just a bull flag? Probably. Why not, right? I'd like to see an update tomorrow, and then the following day on Tuesday's got some chaos to it. So possibly a wrecking down on that day or a wrecking up. I think we'll move either way. So I would expect a consolidation day today, it being Monday. 57.50 is still your pivot for the month, although 55.89 is a growing one, so that could overtake it depending on what happens today. I didn't load the weekly. Hold on. Euro down, holding the 177, right? Bounced, came back, bounced, so it's holding. I don't know if we're bear flagging here or if this is going to be a reversal. Nearest cash gap's down at 57.14. I don't see that being an issue unless everybody dies today. We still have the 57.20 to 57.17 area that we toggled through for a while. I left those on there. Those should be important. But again, you look at this daily. Are we bull flagging? We're holding the 50, or are we going to go back down? I don't know. But again, everything gapped up yesterday or last night. So 34 up, ES 159, NASDAQ, Dow's up 199, Russell's down up 13. So as of now, everything is bullish. But here's your weekly, still toggling this line. We were above it, now we're below it, now we're holding it. So, again, and as I said, we could drop down to here and continue to bounce. Look at that. I forgot about that wick. Anyway, so that's kind of where I'm looking at. Weekly pivots, or yearly pivots, excuse me. 56.45, 56.38. So that's still been a decent 56.45 has still been a decent level. Other than that, I will be out the next few days, so kind of keep that in mind. This is pretty much the range we're in. We're going to need to break, 58, 90, 95, or, this 20 level basically for some, substantiated move. Other than that, we've kind of been locked in check, and I don't know if everyone's just long a ton of gamma and it's keeping everything in check or not. I don't know. But anyway, that's kind of where we're at. I will be in and out of the room, so stay safe. Again, I'm thinking more consolidation day. I don't like the fact that this gap is here, especially in the futures. We will also get SPX cash gap if we open up here. Again, that doesn't have to fill today, but it always makes me nervous that, they could liquidate this and bounce it right off the 40. So today I'd kind of wait for a dip to buy it. Obviously, it's everything is bullish as it is now. All right, stay safe.